Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I am back today to talk about Quail Con. This Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll be going live on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, and we will be discussing this year's Quail Con and some tweaks and changes that we'll be making, a lot of the successes, and we're also going to be talking about next year's Quail Con because it is already in the works. I think it was a huge success. I'm very pleased with it. I'm still kind of recouping and recovering from everything. So we're kind of taking it easy this week as much as we can anyway. But I was very, very impressed with it. There is a ton of people to thank, which I will talk about on our YouTube channel this Sunday on our live Q&A at 7 p.m. But as far as the speakers go, Chris Carnes from Slightly Redneck did a fantastic job. I have had numerous people reach out to me telling me that they really enjoyed his class. Kristen and Brandon from Whiskey Tango Farms were here, and she taught a class on quail basics and genetics. And I've seen a lot of posts and quite a bit of contacts saying that they learned quite a bit, and it was very interesting and very down to earth, which is fantastic. Jim Ward was here from MPIP, and I have heard a ton of great reviews on that class. I actually got to attend that class. The rest of the classes, I was slammed. There's a lot of things that I want to change next year, and we are going to make it bigger and better than ever for next year's Quail Con. The dates are set. A lot of the speakers are set. I'm very excited about it. I'm already getting everybody involved for next year, so I'm very, very excited about that. I'll be mentioning most of that on our YouTube channel this Sunday, so check it out. I did a class on quail for profit. I have heard a few, not a lot, but a few comments, feedback, that they really enjoyed it, and that is very wonderful to hear. I will be doing a playlist starting a week from today. Next Thursday is when I will start. We will start doing a playlist and break everything down quail for profit. So check that out. Make sure you like the like button, make sure you like the channel, and make sure you subscribe and get notifications, because I've got a lot of great information and content coming your way. But overall, I would say Quail Con was a huge success. I wish I could talk to a lot more people. I had mentioned to Kristen and Brandon and Jenna and George after everything was done that I feel like I talked to almost everybody, but I feel like I didn't talk to hardly anybody just because I was so busy. So we're going to fix that next year, and I will tell you how on our live video on Sunday, so check that out. But overall, it was a huge success. Again, everyone that was involved, thank you. I will go in depth on that on our live feed. And please, if you're watching this and you attended, please let me know what your favorite part was. But mine was definitely trying to talk to everybody, and it looked like every time I looked outside, looked in the barn, everybody had a smile on their face. So that was my absolute favorite part, absolutely. And I heard a lot of people make a lot of good friends. I did a post on Facebook and said that it really felt like just a bunch of friends getting together. Not a lot of, YouTube followers or Facebook friends, like a true community. And I want to continue that. So thank you very, very much for attending. Thank you so much for volunteering, for those that volunteered. Thank you to all that donated, the sponsors and the vendors and just the speakers, just everybody in general. Thank you. I think that it went extremely well, and we will be going in depth about it and talking about how we're going to make it bigger and better next year, this Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on our YouTube channel. And remember, starting next Thursday, I will be starting the Quail for Profit playlist. I did my class, and I've been thinking about it the past couple of days. There are some things that I wanted to add to it, so I will be doing that as well. But I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for enjoying yourselves. Thank you for the great positive energy that everybody had, and I cannot wait until next year. Until Sunday, stay safe, and we will see you Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks. We'll see you guys.